Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Welcome to our video on the nighttime signs of diabetes. If you or someone you know has been experiencing unusual symptoms at night, this video is for you. We'll explore the various signs that may indicate diabetes, particularly those that can occur while you're trying to get a good night's sleep. These symptoms can often be overlooked, from frequent urination to unexplained fatigue, but recognizing them is crucial for early intervention. Throughout this video, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of the critical nighttime signs of diabetes, helping you understand what to look out for. We'll also share personal stories and expert insights to make the information relatable and engaging. Understanding these signs is not just about awareness, it's about taking action. Early detection of diabetes can significantly improve health outcomes and quality of life. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to identify these signs and understand the importance of consulting a healthcare professional if you notice them. So, stay tuned as we explore this vital topic that could make a difference in your health or the health of someone you care about. Let's get started. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Frequent urination at night. One of the most common nighttime signs of diabetes is frequent urination, also known as nocturia. This occurs when your body cannot manage blood sugar levels properly, leading to increased glucose in the bloodstream. When your kidneys filter out excess glucose, they pull in more water, increasing urine production. This physiological response can indicate that your body is struggling to maintain balance. Frequent trips to the bathroom during the night can significantly disrupt your sleep patterns. Imagine trying to get a good night's rest, only to be awakened multiple times by the urge to urinate. This affects your sleep quality and can lead to daytime fatigue and irritability, making it harder to focus on daily tasks. If you find yourself making frequent nighttime bathroom trips, it's essential to monitor this symptom closely. Keeping a record of how often you wake up to urinate can provide valuable information for your healthcare provider. This simple act of awareness can help you identify patterns and determine whether it's time to seek medical advice. Remember, recognizing these signs early can lead to timely intervention and better management of your health. Stay tuned as we explore more signs of diabetes in this video. Excessive thirst. Excessive thirst, or polydipsia, is another significant sign that may indicate diabetes. When blood sugar levels are elevated, your body attempts to eliminate the excess glucose through urine. This process can lead to dehydration, as your kidneys work overtime to filter out the sugar. As a result, you may feel increasingly thirsty, prompting you to drink more fluids to rehydrate. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, especially if you're experiencing excessive thirst. Proper hydration helps maintain bodily functions, supports digestion, and improves energy levels. However, it's essential to be mindful of what you're drinking. Opting for water over sugary beverages can help manage blood sugar levels more effectively. If you're prone to nighttime thirst, consider keeping a water bottle nearby while you sleep. This way, you can quickly quench your thirst without having to get out of bed, which can disrupt your sleep. Additionally, monitoring your fluid intake can provide valuable insights into your hydration habits and help you identify any concerning patterns. If you find that excessive thirst persists, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional for further evaluation. Stay tuned as we explore more signs of diabetes in this video. Nighttime sweats. Nighttime sweats can be unexpected and uncomfortable and may also be a sign of diabetes. When blood sugar levels fluctuate, particularly if they drop too low at night, your body can react by triggering a stress response. This response often involves the release of adrenaline, which can lead to sweating as your body attempts to stabilize its glucose levels. These episodes of sweating can significantly affect your sleep quality. Waking up drenched can be disorienting and may prevent you from falling back asleep, leaving you tired and groggy the next day. Over time, disrupted sleep can lead to other health issues, including increased stress and difficulty concentrating. If you notice you're experiencing nighttime sweats regularly, tracking your sweating patterns is essential. You keep a journal of when these episodes occur and any other symptoms you may be experiencing. which can provide valuable information for your healthcare provider. This awareness can help you identify potential triggers and determine whether it's time to seek medical advice. Remember, recognizing these signs early can lead to better health management. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into other signs of diabetes in this video. Unexplained fatigue. Fatigue is a common yet often overlooked symptom that can signal diabetes. When your body struggles to regulate blood sugar levels, it can lead to insufficient energy being delivered to your cells. This lack of energy can constantly tire you, even after a night's sleep. The connection between diabetes and energy levels is crucial, as it highlights how your body's inability to utilize glucose effectively can directly impact your overall vitality. The effects of fatigue can ripple through your daily life, making even simple tasks daunting. You might find it challenging to concentrate at work, engage in social activities, or even enjoy hobbies you once loved. This persistent tiredness can lead to frustration and a decline in your overall quality of life. If you're experiencing unexplained fatigue that doesn't seem to improve with rest, it's essential to consult a doctor. Persistent fatigue can be a sign of underlying health issues, including diabetes, and getting a professional evaluation can help you identify the root cause. Early intervention is crucial in managing diabetes effectively and improving your energy levels. Stay tuned as we explore more signs of diabetes in this informative video. Numbness or tingling in extremities. Numbness or tingling in the extremities, often referred to as peripheral neuropathy, can be a significant warning sign of diabetes. Over time, high blood sugar levels can lead to nerve damage, affecting the way your body communicates sensations. This damage can result in feelings of numbness, tingling, or even pain in your hands and feet. Understanding this connection is crucial, as it highlights the potential complications that can arise from unmanaged diabetes. Early detection of these symptoms is vital. The sooner you recognize and address numbness or tingling, the better your chances of preventing further nerve damage. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe complications, including loss of sensation, which can increase the risk of injuries and infections. If you're experiencing persistent numbness or tingling, seeking medical advice is essential. A healthcare professional can conduct the necessary tests to determine the underlying cause and recommend appropriate treatment options. Don't wait for these symptoms to worsen. Taking action now can help you manage your health more effectively. Remember, recognizing the signs of diabetes early can lead to better outcomes and improved quality of life. Stay tuned as we explore more significant signs of diabetes in this video. Blurred vision. Blurred vision is a concerning symptom that can be closely related to diabetes. When blood sugar levels are consistently high, it can lead to changes in the eye's lens, causing it to swell. This swelling can affect your ability to focus, resulting in blurred or distorted vision. Over time, prolonged high blood sugar can also damage the blood vessels in the retina, potentially leading to more severe conditions like diabetic retinopathy. The importance of regular eye checkups cannot be overstated, especially for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. Routine eye exams can help detect early signs of vision problems, allowing for timely intervention. Catching issues early can make a significant difference in preserving your eyesight and overall eye health. If you notice any changes in your vision, such as blurriness or difficulty focusing, you must report these symptoms to your doctor. Ignoring vision changes can lead to complications that may be preventable with proper care. Your healthcare provider can assess your symptoms and recommend appropriate steps to manage your blood sugar levels and protect your vision. Remember, taking proactive measures can help safeguard your health. Stay tuned as we explore more signs of diabetes in this informative video. Slow healing of wounds. Slow wound healing is a significant concern that can indicate underlying diabetes. When blood sugar levels are elevated, they can impair the body's natural healing process. High glucose levels can affect circulation and reduce the efficiency of white blood cells, essential for fighting infections and repairing tissues. As a result, even minor cuts or scrapes may take much longer to heal, leading to increased discomfort and potential complications. The implications of slow healing wounds can be profound. Untreated wounds can become infected, leading to more severe health issues, including cellulitis or even the risk of amputation in extreme cases. This is particularly concerning for individuals with diabetes, as they may already have compromised circulation and nerve function, making them more susceptible to complications. Viewers must monitor any slow healing injuries closely. If you notice that a wound isn't healing as expected, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Early intervention can help prevent infections and promote better healing outcomes. Remember, being proactive about your health can make a significant difference. Stay tuned as we explore more vital signs of diabetes in this informative video. In this video, we've explored several key nighttime signs of diabetes, including frequent urination, excessive thirst, nighttime sweats, unexplained fatigue, numbness or tingling in the extremities, blurred vision, and slow wound healing. Recognizing these signs early is crucial for effective management and intervention. The sooner you identify these symptoms, the better your chances of preventing complications and maintaining your overall health. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these signs, you must take action and consult a healthcare professional. Early diagnosis and treatment can significantly improve the management of diabetes and the quality of life. Don't hesitate to seek help. Your health is worth it. We hope you found this information valuable and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from this knowledge. Together, we can raise awareness about diabetes and empower others to take charge of their health. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more content that can help you live a healthier life.